morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel, that is Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous lecture I have just given you the homework, that was the exercise 1G. I know you have many doubts in exercise 1G because it are word problems. Okay students, so as I will put this video and then after I will put the images of this solutions of this in your group. Okay students, I will post the solution of this word problems in your group after posting this video. Okay students, and now we will start with our new chapter, that is lesson number 2, playing with numbers. We all have seen the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay students, let us take some examples of it. So first of all, if I want to minus 38 minus 6, then what will be the answer students? The answer will be obviously 32. 32, that you all know. Okay students, and if I want to add 30 plus 4, then what will be the answer students? That is 34. Okay students, next, if I want to multiply something, then what I have to do? 25 into 3. Then what will be the answer students? Do multiplication first of all by yourself. 5 3s are 15, 1 here. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. The answer is 75. Okay students, next, if I want to divide, then if I take 125 divided by 5, then what will be the answer students? You all know I am directly calculating this, but you have to just do some method and then you have to calculate. See here, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 2 remaining. If see here, I am doing that method, that is 5 125, 5 2s are 10, here 0 2, here comes 5, so 5 5s are 25. Okay students, so answer will be 25. Next, this was the introduction of this chapter. Okay students, in this chapter we will see this kinds of the sum. In this we have just do the multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, all the things with the other, and in now we will do with only in one sum only. Okay students, see here, there is an order of operation. Here there is a topic, order of operation. So first of all, what is order of operation? See here, in your textbook there is an given ODMAS. I am writing that ODMAS. You have to just remember this ODMAS. Okay students, you have to remember this. Okay, then only you can solve that type of problems in which the multiplication, division, subtraction and all the things are together. If you don't know this one, you can't solve that. Let us see what is O, what is D, what is M, what is A and what is S. So here O is of. Okay students, next, that is D, that is division. Okay, and what is m? What is m? That is multiplication. Okay students, multiplication. What is a? That is addition. And at last, you know what is s? That is subtraction. That is subtraction. Okay students, so you have to remember this. First of all, what you have to do? Division, multiplication, and then addition, and then at last subtraction. Okay students, now let us solve a sum of this. In your textbook there is an example number 1. See here, example number 1, I am writing over here. Example number 1, that is simplify simplify 7 into 3 minus 4 plus 60, 4 plus 60 divided by 10. So in this type of sums in which all the operations are given, multiplication, subtraction, addition and division. So first of all, what we have to do? See here we have written ODMAS. So first of all, what we have to do? Division. Is any sign over division? Yes, here there is a sign of division. So first of all, we have to do this division. So how we will do this division? 60 divided by 10, that is 10 6 60, 0 0. Here will be the answer, that is 6. Okay students, then again I am writing that 7 into 3 minus 4 plus 6. Okay students, now what we have done? We have done division. Then after what we have to do? Multiplication. Is there any multiplication sign over here? Yes, there is a multiplication sign. Where is it? It is over here. So next, what we have to do? 7 3s are 7 3s are, that is 21. Okay students, 7 3s are, that is 21. So 21, and I am writing as it is 4 plus 6. Now what we have to do? Multiplication done. First of all done division, then done multiplication. Now what we have to do? Addition. So here you can see the sign of addition over here. Okay students, then we have to do addition. So in addition, 6 plus 4, that is 10, that is 10. So 21 minus 10. Okay students, 21 minus 10. So what will be the answer? 21 minus 10, that is 11. So this is your main answer. Okay students, please note down this. Okay students, please don't write this. Please don't write this. From here we have made a mistake. So what will be done here? First of all, here 7 3s are 21 minus 4 plus 6, and then what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Okay students, we have to do the addition. After multiplication we have to do the addition. Okay, then what is the addition over here? That is 21 plus 6 minus 4. Okay students, 21, 6 comes here and minus 4 goes backside. So 21 plus 6, what will be the answer? 21 plus 6, that is 27 minus 4. Now at last it is subtraction. So the subtraction is, what will be the subtraction students? 23. This is your answer. Please note down this students now. Now going to the example number 2. Okay students, going to the example number 2. So what is the example number 2? Read that first of all students. See here, example number 2, I am writing in the board. Here is the example number 2. Simplify here 800 minus 10 of 70 plus 400 divided by 4 minus 3 into 60. Okay students, so first what we have to do? Here if we see the here ODMAS, here O means off. You can see over here the off is there. Okay students, 10 of 70, what does it means? 10 of 70, can anybody tell me students? First of all, think by yourself. Here 10 of 70 means 10 into 70. Okay students, see here I am writing step by step as it is there in your textbook, that first of all we will write O. Then what is O first of all? That is off. Then first of all we will do the off into multiplication. So how does it happen? 800 minus off means 10 into 70, that is 700. 700 plus 400 divided by 4 minus 3 into 60. Okay students, so first of all we have done O. Now we are doing D. Now we are doing D. For D, that is division. Is there any division over here? Yes, the division is here. So 400 divided by 4, that is 100. 4 ones are 4 and 2 zeros, that is 100. So what will be the answer? 800 minus 700 plus 400 divided by 4, that is 100. Okay students, and here minus 3 into 10. We have done the division of this equation. Now it's come for m, the turn of m. What will be there? In m, it is multiplication. Is there any multiplication over here? Yes, the multiplication is over here. So, how we will write this, students? 800 minus 700 plus 100 minus, sorry, not 1000, it is 100. Okay, 100 minus, what is 3 tens are 30. Okay, students, 3 tens are 30. This we have done the multiplication. First of all, what we have to do? O, that is of here, of 10 of 70, that is 10 into 70, that is 700. Then we have done D, that is over here 400 divided by 4, that is 100. And then we have done M, that is here 3 into 10, that is 30. Now it's turn for A. What will be the A? A means addition. Here, if I take this 100 over here, 800 plus 100, these both are plus. 800 plus 100, that is 900. This one and this one, then it will be 900. 900, not 1000. Okay, students, 900 minus 700 minus 30. Okay, students, 700 minus 30. So, next, that is S. What we have to do? S. That is subtraction. So, what 900 minus 700, that is 900 minus 700, 9 minus 7, that is 2. 200, this will be 200 minus 30. 200 minus 30, that is 170 is the answer. Okay, students, please note down this. Students, we have made a mistake over here. It is 3 into 60. I have written here 3 into 10. So, students, here there is a mistake. So, here is 60. Let us solve it again. Okay, students, let us solve this again. So, here it is 60, I have written over here 10. So, first of all, there will be O. Okay, students, first of all, there will be O. Then what is O? 800 minus, this is O, it comes 700. Okay, students, then comes plus 400 divided by 4 minus 6 3s are 18 and here remaining 0. Okay, students, 180. Next comes D. What is D? D means division. It is over here. That is 800 minus 700 plus, that is 100. it will be 100. 4 divided by 400, that is 100 minus 180. Okay students, then comes m. Then comes m, but we have just done here only before only m. In the multiplication I am writing this again. Okay students, 3 into 60. Okay students, now what we have to do? We have to do m, that is multiplication plus 100 minus, this will be m, that is 180. Okay students, that is 180. Now it's time for addition. That is a. So 800 plus 100, that is 900. Okay, and if I add minus, that is plus 700 plus 180, that is 880. Okay students, 880. Now it's time for subtraction, that is s. 900 minus 880, that is 20 is your answer. Okay students, please note down this. In previous calculation we have just taken 10 out of which was 60, but we have taken 10. Okay students, see here next answer, and now it comes the simplification of brackets. In that what happens, let us see that example first only. Okay students, let us see that only of simplification of the bracket. So how it is done? I am writing here example number 3, that is evaluate evaluate 30 plus 20 minus 10. Okay students, 30 plus 20 minus 10 in bracket. Okay students, so first of all, in the simplification of bracket, what we have to do? First of all, you have to simplify this bracket, and in that bracket, first of all, you have to apply ODMAS. Here is only minus, so you will have to do first minus. Okay students, so I am writing over here 30 plus 20 minus 10, and first of all, what we have to do? You have to multiply the simplification of bracket, this. Okay students, so 30 plus 20 minus 10, that is 10. So 30 plus 10, that is 40 is your answer. Okay students, first of all, you have to simplify the bracket. If in bracket there is division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, then you have to first of all solve this bracket, and then you have to apply this ODMAS. Okay students, please note down this. So now going to the example number 4. Okay students, now going to the example number 4. So the example number 4 is, in the word problems, first of all you have to read this question 2-3 times. See here, Rohan has bought a book for 55 rupees and a pen for 25. He gave 100 to the shopkeeper. What did he receive as balance? See here, first of all what we have to write, that is Rohan bought a book. Book, how many rupees? That is 55 rupees. Then he had buy a pen. How many rupees? That is 25. And how much note he gives? He gives 100 rupees note. So in this case we have to first add the cost of the book and that of the pen and then subtract the sum of 100. Okay students, so what we have to do? The 100, what we have to do? We have to take out how much rupees it will get back. So 100 minus, in the bracket, 55 plus 25. Okay students, so first of all what we have to do? We have to simplify the bracket. First of all we have to simplify the bracket. In the question what is given? That Rohan buys a book of 55 rupees and a pen of 25 rupees and he gives 100 rupee note to the shopkeeper. Then how much money he will get back? Okay students, if I go to a shopkeeper and if I buy a 55 rupees book and 25 rupees pen, okay, then what is the total? 55 plus 25. What will be the answer? Let us count that. So first you have to simplify the bracket. So how we will simplify this bracket? 55 plus 25. What is the answer? Let us see that. 55 plus 25. 5 plus 5, that is 10. 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay students, then the answer is 80. So 100 minus 80 is equal to 20 rupees. Okay students, 20 rupees. I have written 2 only. You are think it is Z. It is 2 only. Okay students, it is 2. 20 rupees he will get back. Okay students, please note down this. Here, going to the example number 5. Going to the example number 5. See here, I am writing the question in the board. Example number 5. Simplify 20 minus 10 plus 2 minus 3. Okay students, so how we will simplify this? Okay students, so first what I have told, simplify the bracket. First of all we have to simplify the bracket. So first of all writing the equation as it is, 20 minus 10 plus 2 minus 3. Okay students, so first we have to simplify. In the simplification bracket, if there is another signs, then also we have to follow this rule, that is ODMAS. See here, off is there? No. Division is there? No. Multiplication is there? No. Addition is there? Yes. Addition is there. This is over here. So what we will write is 20 minus 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 3. Okay students, and then what we have to, after addition we have to do subtraction. See here, it is subtraction. So next point will be 20 minus, sorry, after this the bracket will be taken out. Okay students, so 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3 students, that is, what will be the 12 minus 3 students, that is 9. So if we minus 20 minus 9, what will be the answer? The answer will be 11. 11 is the answer students. Please note down this. Now going to the next example, that is example number 6. Example number 6. So I am writing the equation over here in the board, that is example number 6. Simplify simplify 20 minus, sorry, I am writing the first example 5 equation only. We have to do the example number 6, that is 3 into 5 minus 4. 3 into 5 minus 4. You can see here, if you compare this ODMAS with, then of is not there, D is not there, M. Yes, multiplication is there over here, but first of all what we have to do, we have to simplify the bracket. Okay students, first of all we have to simplify the bracket. So first of all, simplifying the bracket, that is minus 3 into 5 minus 4, that is 1. Okay students, and 3 ones are 3 is the answer. Please note down this students. Now it's time for your homework students. Please note down this homework. Your homework is learn this order of operation, Okay students, learn this order of operation, this whole, that first comes off, then comes division, then comes multiplication, then comes addition, then comes subtraction. Then what we have to do, example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your example book, and exercise 2A. Exercise 2A. It is small exercise and you can do this by your own. Okay students, if there is any doubt, you can contact me and I will solve your doubt. Up till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.